What's going on, guys? My name is Alec Micus. I'm the author of No Realtor, No Problem. And in today's video, we're going to be talking about the attorney. When you're selling for sale by owner, is it necessary to have an attorney? Because at the end of the day, you're trying to save money when you're selling for sale by owner. So you don't want to just throw money away on unnecessary fees. But when it comes to the attorney, it is not an unnecessary expense. Your attorney is your saving grace. You can go without the realtor, but having the legal knowledge and expertise of an attorney is vital. Not only will they act as your mediator as you're going through the negotiations, which is super beneficial because you're going to have that emotional attachment to your home, but also your attorney understands all of the legal obligations, the contracts, the contingencies, the disclosures, and they're there to guide you through them. And I always tell all of my sellers or people interested in selling for sale by owner to call their attorney before they ever fill out their property disclosures, because there's going to be a lot of things on there that you either need to put to protect yourself or you shouldn't have put because now it's hurting you, and your attorney can tell you what's necessary and what's not. So for those reasons alone, get yourself an attorney. Here in Illinois, the attorney also is going to schedule things like the title and make your life really easy when it comes to signing all of the documents and whatnot after you reach closing table. And a lot of the time, sellers don't even need to attend the closing unless they want to, because your attorney will give you all of the paperwork to sign in advance. And attorneys are a lot cheaper than you think. Now, of course, don't go for the cheapest attorney. Go for a knowledgeable, quality real estate attorney. But even them, I've worked with great real estate attorneys who have charged the clients $500 and sometimes less than that for the entire transaction, which is nothing in the grand scheme of things. So go ahead, search up, find yourself, if you don't already know one, a quality real estate attorney, not just any attorney, a real estate attorney, and you're going to be really happy that you did so. I'm going to recommend that you guys download this for sale by owner step-by-step checklist when selling, because it's going to make you feel a whole lot more secure. That way you can see everything that needs to be done and you can do it. And you know you're not missing anything, because the process can be overwhelming if you don't have a foundation to guide you. And I've attached that down below. Go ahead, download that for free, and I hope it helps you. On that note, Alec out. Catch you on the next video.